We still got a prime in here. Paint. Do the vents. Do the ceiling fan. But instead of opening a whole can of worms, we got rid of all the creases and wrinkles in the wallpaper, cut them out, mudded it, even added some Elmer's glue to it, and we did the knockdown texture right over it, right over the wallpaper, because we didn't want to end up with another gut job like Porter's room. I started sanding and stripping the floor over in this corner. I still got a lot to do. And sanding. We got to be careful because it's lead paint. We did a couple tests on it. And there's little Rosie still. I did a lot in here. Michelle put up the Rudolph tree yesterday. We got a lot done. Here's my favorite light. Look at that bad boy. Looks like a cluster of lights, I guess you'd call it. It's very different, but it really made this room cool. The barn, game room, TV room. We got all this organized. I made a couple shelves out of Porter's old wood out of his room. I put the router up there, our Arlo, and everything the power goes into this storage things. Got a new light fixture here, kind of looks like water pipes, super cool. What else? We've been doing a fire in the garage in this room about every night. It keeps the whole second level warm. It's been working out awesome. Then I'll go out to the garage and I'll make a fire for the kitty out there so she doesn't get cold. Some little kitty showed up and the kids named him Pumpkin, but I like that little turd. He sleeps up in the attic of the garage. We made a bed for him, and he can't meow very good. I'll show you him later, but he catches mice out there for me, so I'm cool with outside kitties. But anybody wants the inside kitties, give me a ring. Yeah, there's that other shelf I made. Kind of cool. I sanded it, kinda. Just left it kind of original, old barnwood, super hard wood. Here's the new, the new stove, wood stove. We ended up taking the old one and putting it in the garage, and then we ordered this one off Menards. I think it was like $1,000. Got the vents hooked up. We've been running this bad boy every night. It's been cold. Got this fan to blow the heat. It's heat operated. It doesn't need plugged in or anything. Once it gets warm, it will it'll turn on and start blowing heat everywhere. We finally got to hang up stockings by a fireplace or a wood stove. There's our video games. New sign from the old basement. Here's Porter playing Star Wars. How you doing, bub?
Good.
Can you say hi to everybody?
Hi.
He's a little shy, but not too bad. We got the Buccaneers Colts game on that TV. I'm gonna play some PS4 if Rosie would move. And I got the Steeler game on there because they've been disappointing again. Here's my new DeWalt vacuum. I love that thing, man. I think that's it for up here. We need to do something with these stairs soon. I ended up breaking that piece off. I think I'm going to go over it with some stair treads and do some barn red paint on the sides. And yeah. I think that's it. But I'm gonna get to the game. But I had to give an update. I know everybody's been asking. I'll try to keep you more involved in the projects here on out. I'll show you the garage and the chicken coop later. But we're getting ready. I had to get ready for winter. Got the garage all cleared out, put everything in the basement for storage. Only caught a couple mice downstairs. I think we're getting it under control so we can store stuff there. And up in the attic, got rid of all the bugs and the mice and all that stuff. But I think that's about it. I'm gonna get to my game. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I will do another video this week with a new project. Have a good day. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. And Rosie, we're not going back out. Bye.